my name is Lauren Probst. I live here in South Florida. We moved here about 6 years ago, and it had been a while since I had been to the dentist. I got a referral to come here to see Dr. Nudel at Dedicated Dental. And many years ago, I was in a ski accident, and so one of my front tooths had a nerve damage. And so it didn't really show up or have any problems until recently, within the last year or so. And unfortunately, it had to be removed and replaced with a implant. And obviously, you had to have somebody who was excellent at what they did, because it's just the one front tooth rather than all of them. So there was lots of matching, lots of bone grafting, and even though it was a terrifying and a very long process, it has been an amazing experience, and they did a fantastic job. I can't tell, and nobody really could in between. So I highly recommend Dedicated Dental and Dr. Nudel. They are fantastic. Everybody at the front desk is wonderful, and I can't say enough good things about this location.